Look at the line, look at the line. Memorial Day sale. Look at that line. You can walk around if you want. Yeah, Prada, which is longer. Memorial Day sale, so at Wasteman. Almost inside, about an hour and a half, right? How long did we wait? An hour and a half? Hope it's worth the wait, because I know I asked, a lady came out, a client advisor came out and asked if, you know, if there's certain things that people needed, because there's no point waiting in line, so that was smart. But they do have a pair of slides that I really wanted, and hopefully they have it in my size, so I'll let you guys see you later. Hopefully I get my hands on it. Men's section. Check out this guitar case. Very cool. Special price. These are cute. I like these. Nice little duffel bag. Men's wallet. Oh, this is the one I'm talking about, Melissa. This is the one I was asking about. This style right here, look. This style right here. Well, not the actual bag, but you know, this kind. I'm glad they have it here. The old men's wear, but of course, you know, Gucci is unisex, so it's kind of nice. Should we ask for that guy? Well, let's see if we want something first. Should we ask for the two essays I was told about? They have sneakers too. Yeah. Oh, sorry. You can.